Hey frogs, this week in math, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to do two different things at one time. So one of the things we're working on is subitizing. And when we subitize, we look at a group or an object, and we know how many it is without having to count. This week, we're just working on subitizing numbers 1 to 5. That's what all your fun songs and videos are for. Then we're also going to be working on numbers up to 100 in our next math unit. So we're going to warm up with some subitizing. I have some flashcards to show you. I'm not going to keep them down very long, so you want to be able to look at the tens frame and tell me what the number is right away. Here we go. 2, great. 4, nice job. 0. 3, great work. 1. 5, great job. Ooh, I'm gonna mix them up and go a little bit faster this time. Okay, here we go. I'm going to go a little bit faster, and I'm not going to say the number. Great. Keep working on this at home, and make sure you're watching all those fun videos with subitizing practice. Okay, we are going to be working on numbers up to 100 in our next unit. So we're going to start first by just looking at the tens. And we've been counting by tens for a while now, so I know you guys are pretty good at this. But I want to show you a couple of things on this number chart. If you notice, there are 10 rows. Every time we get to 10, then we change our beginning number. So here, it's all single numbers. Then all of our numbers have a 1 in the tens column. All of these numbers have a 2 in the tens column. All of these numbers have a 3, a 4, a 5, 6, 7s, 8s, 9s, and then we just have 100. Good. That helps us. And if we look this way, all of these numbers have the number 1 in them. All of these numbers have the number 2 in them. All of these numbers have the number 3 in them. And so on as we go down the line. 4s, 5s, 6, 7, 8, 9, and these are all our 10s. Good. So, as we work through this unit, just keep that in mind. There are patterns in our hundreds chart that can help us if we get stuck. Let's look at these kids. These kids are all holding up both hands. They have 10 fingers up each. We can count how many fingers they are by counting by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. We didn't have to count each one of their fingers because we know how to count by tens. That helps us save time in our counting. We don't always have time to count every single thing. If we can make groups, then we can count a little bit faster. And that's what they did right over here. They made groups of 10. I know there's 10 because they told me there are 10. I can't see all 10 items in my group, but that's okay because they told me it's a group of 10, so I know I have 10. So I have 10. Let's count this one. 10, 20, 30, 40. What about this one? 10, 20. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 10, 20, 30. We have to match these over here with their numbers. Let's look at these numbers. I have the number 40, 4 tens and 0 ones. I have the number 10, 1 10 and 0 ones. I have the number 30, 3 tens and 0 ones. I have the number 20, 2 tens and 0 ones. And the number 50, 5 tens and 0 ones. Okay. I have to match my group to the number. So this is just one group. Oh, sorry, I moved the camera. This is just one group of 10. So which one of these numbers shows me one group of 10? Yeah, the number 10. So I'm going to draw a line to match. Let's look at this one. 10, 20, 30, 40. Where's the number 40? It has 4 groups of 10 and 0 ones. Oh, here it is, 4, 0, 40. So I'm going to draw a line to match. How many here? Count with me. 10, 20. 2 groups of 10. What do I have left? I have 30, 20, and 50. Oh, 20. I need to draw my line. Let's look at this next group. How many groups of 10 are there? 10, 20. Oh, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 10. Let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 5 groups of 10 and 0 ones. I'm going to draw the number to down here. Draw a line to down here on the number 50. And then my last one is 30. Let's look. Does it match? 10, 20, 30. 3 groups and 0 ones. Good. You guys have your math books now. So you are going to open up to chapter 12, lesson 1, and do the counting by tens page. Great job, and I will see you back here tomorrow for some more practice.